there. So today we are having fridge and we are going to clean it out. I usually do a big fridge clean out maybe once or twice a year. I don't do it every week. So what we are going to do, we are going to take out all the food we have and all the stuff we have, to throw away everything that is expired or gone bad. And then I'm going to clean all the shelves, all the plastic boxes, and kind of put it back together. So here we have, I don't know what it is, it's some part of fridge and I'm going to throw it away. This is like a natri chlor. Yes. So we use it sometimes. This is, oh my god, it used to be a tuna for pasta, but I think I'm going to throw it away. I think it's gone bad. Then we have 6 eggs, they are perfectly good. And then this is some pack of oil, I'm going to throw it away, I don't know what it is. Balsamico di Modena, balsamic. Then we have Barilla, it's like sauce for the pasta. It's not open, so it can be used. I am keeping these sheet masks in the fridge, so they are cold. I don't think that it's really matters, are they cold or not, but I just like it cold. Then I have this cheese thing, and we love this cheese. It's peelable, it's good. Then I have 4 turkey sausages, ginger, 2 passion fruits, and then here I have pack of salted salmon, ketchup, green juice, a little bit of milk, and soy sauce. I'm going to clean everything in my shower because my sink, I think, is too small. So let's go. Just simple dish soap. Whoa. Okay. So I put towel on the floor. I'm going to wash this towel afterwards, and I put all the shelves here. And of course, I need some expert opinion about how should I put this stuff correctly. Okay, then we continue. Starting from the top, tomatoes, Greek yogurt, cauliflower. I'm going to make soup from it. Another yogurt and 2 packs of curd, banana yogurt. And here we have, ooh, it's gone bad. There's a lemon, but it's gone bad. I need to throw it away. And okay, I will take it later. This is a bread. I like dark bread. This is a salmon. I'm going to cook it today. butter a little bit and the new one. This is processed cheese, it's called. It's not expired, but I'm going to throw it away as well. It's old. It was open for quite a while. This is a bread as well. It's semi-sweet bread actually with carrots. Really good. Really good. I like it. I like it with a cold butter. Yeah. Then we have a little bit more toast bread, cheese. It's turkey. It's yeah, I think it's like a turkey sausage. And one more cheese. Of course, everything is good. We're keeping it. And then we are taking out this glass shelf, this stuff for bottles. I don't have any bottles in the fridge. Then I'm going to take out this shelf. Here is the mashed potato. I'm going to finish it today with the salmon. A little bit of pak choi. I think I'm going to eat today as well. Some paprika for salad or for soup. Then, oh my god, it's dead. It's rosemary, but it's dead. I need to throw it away. Again, my cat experts are everywhere. And this is a gingerbread dough and it's expired and I got it as a present and I never do this stuff. It was cat, actually. And another glass shelf. They are very dirty. Then here I have some extra eggs. Of course they are good. And then, oh my god, she wants to check out what's happening. And then I have a Polish pierogi. It's like dumplings with some, they are stuffed with something. My husband got them. Then I have, this is a strawberry jam. This is some other jam. All jams are made by me. During summer I'm making them. Another strawberry, another apricot. Not another apricot, but yeah, and today I started apricot because you know summer is coming and I have this stuff still like very dirty. And this is for open close, what is this? Okay, I can't do it like that. It's for not to have bad smell in the fridge. Okay, and the box with fruits and veggies. And we have bananas, and we have big cucumber, and we have some carrots for horses, and some apples, and some radish. I need to eat it today now. Today, not now. And apple as another. So it's dirty. I mean, like, I'll show you. It's dirty. Like, check it out. It is dirty. And we're going to clean it. So you can see that here something is clogged, and before cleaning it out, I have secret weapon. You see? Wow, it's super gross. Yeah. So because this hole was full and clogged, here is water, actually. And I need somehow to collect it. So I kind of cleaned it out. There are definitely some stains, but they are not coming off that easily. And yeah, it looks much better than before. And now I have this freezer situation. So, wow, some leftovers of some ice cream, pumpkin puree, some potato, something from potato, fish, leftover of ice cream, vegan sausages from IKEA, and this stuff in case someone get hurt and need to put some ice on top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean these baskets as well. Okay, another one. Here are basically like strawberry ice, regular ice, just piece of snow, and cotton pad. Oh, this is ice. We created this ice, so yeah. And this small, like a beer shaped ice, and just for wine or for some drinks, this stuff. I need to do it fast. Because I don't want anything to melt. So I think I need to kind of be fast with this, because all of this stuff is needed. Basically, we are using them. No, like, of course I can get another ice, but you know. Okay, and then the last one is ice cream, fish, risotto with mushrooms, two-card desserts, ice cream, and ciabatta. So I'll put it out. So you see, I have specific items here for my freezer, but I'll let it sit down a little bit more and melt it naturally. And I'll try to put this stuff back. So I'm putting all the door stuff. Are they okay? I think okay. Then I think this one is here. No, this one is here. Okay, and then these are the same. Them and yep. And now I'll bring this part. I think that all of these glass shelves are the same, pretty much. So I'll try. I remember that this was the last one. Then there should be, maybe they are not the same. This one. So, oh, they are not the same. Or I'm not looking. Oh, no. It's supposed to be like that. And it have this. Wow, sorry. And it this stuff here. Then we have one like so. Yeah. And one here. Oh, another side. Oh, yeah. It looks pretty decent. It's okay. Then I'll put everything back in the places. I want to drink this green juice. Sauce here, this here, and this cat toys are everywhere. This goes here. Then my jams goes. I put actually them here because there is not a lot of them left, and it will be more convenient to do it this way. And one that I already started. And then what else I have? I have oh yeah, I have this stuff from here and from here. And oh fuck! I hear the cat is doing something bad. Then we'll put eggs back here, butter back here, sausages, salmon won't go back because I'm going to eat it, the bread, sausages, eggs here, this stuff here. I think cat is realizing that he's doing something wrong. Yogurt. Okay, this. I'll try to put all the veggies in this veggies and fruit box. Wow! 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 They are running away. And you know, it looks like I need to go to the store, to the groceries. So now let's do special technique. Basically, I'm just cutting off the snow and the ice. And I'm pretty much sure that it's not the right way to do it. Because of the snow, I can't move them, so I need to. Wow! So I'm kind of putting it back. Where I need to put it back? Okay, here. Because yes, there are still some snow left, but you know, enough is enough. I'm just cleaning it a little bit, drying it a little bit, and that's it. It's enough. Because these glasses are clean, nothing happened to them bad. Okay, so maybe I some lost stuff to put it. Okay, should it be like that? I don't know. So putting the last stuff in. Okay, and this one, like that. Giving back electricity, and now putting back all the frozen stuff. So we always have this last compartment to some kind of desserts, but not only. Yeah, I'll put it here, like more desserts. Here's some food. Yes, actually, we don't have a lot in here because I know, some time ago I decided to eat out everything that we have in our pantry, in our freezer, everything. So, you know, just to clean up everything. With some ice. Some ice. With this big ice. Big ice goes back. Oh! It took a little bit of ice cream. Here it is, and puree, and that's it. So this is done, and I want just to clean it up a little bit from the outside. And you know, I'm not a super housewife, you know, I'm cleaning now and then, but obviously I need to clean because, like, well, my husband is also very active in cleaning, I would say. But you know, oh, what the shit is this? Oh fuck! Yeah, and you know, I started to clean this fridge now, and now I see like that I need to clean the whole kitchen because everything is just dirty. But I was cleaning kitchen last week, you know, and yeah. Oh, I'm tired. I'm officially tired. I won't be doing anything today. Thank you for watching. Hope that your cleaning routine is better than mine.